Hello designers and creatives. In today's video, I'm going to be giving away another 20 plus premium text effect pack for absolutely free. And I also did a previous video on this. I'm also going to be showing you how to download the PSD file, and also how to use the PSD file. So without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to today's video. So these are the premium text effects I'm going to be giving out. All these text effects are premium ones and you can see them. So this is it on Photoshop. Photoshop is easy to edit. Let me just come over to anyone. So how to edit it, you come over to this change text. So I'm using this one, change text. Then you come over to this embedded icon here, then you double click it. So this is the file here. So I don't have the fonts here. The font is luckiest, guys. So I don't have it. So I can either replace the font or download the font from any free site. So you can see it automatically replaced this. Then I'm not going to change the font style to month. Let me use a font called month. So this is it here. I'm not going to select this month and I'm going to change this code to Josie. So having Josie here. Josie, then you can either change the resolution of the text effect. You can see it's on 72 resolution. You can either change it or you can maintain the same resolution with the file. I'm not going to do the same thing for this one. I'm going to edit it then into all these concepts. So I'm just going to save this. I'm going to save this here. So you can see it that's automatically updated here. So it's easy to edit and you can also still change the resolution. You can change the text resolution and the entire effect resolution. I can play around with the effects. So there's a 3D effect here. So if I don't need maybe the shadows, you can turn off the shadows here. I turn off the shadows. But I don't want to do with the shadows, then I can work with this one. Then same thing with the other effects. The same process with the other effects here. So you can see it's just to click on this embedded icon to edit the text effect. So this is how you'll be able to download the text effect. So for this one, I'm going to make use of the previous video I posted, which is this one. So this is the video here. So I'm not going to come over to the description, which you can see PSD file. I'm just going to open this in a new tab. Then wait for it to load. So you can see here it's downloading. Then you have to complete this action to unlock it. So first of all, you have to subscribe to the channel, then also watch the video. So when you're done with the tags, you'll see it here completed. So you have to subscribe to the channel. So you can see I'm already subscribed to the channel. So then you can see here one is already unlocked. Then you come over to watch video. Make sure to watch the video to the end, or you can watch it up to 5 minutes. 5 minutes of the video for it to be. So you can see it's already unlocked. So I'm just going to come over to this unlock link. So it will redirect me to another site. So yeah, it's still the same process. Follow on Instagram, follow on Facebook, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also watch the video, like, and also comment. So when you have done those steps, it automatically unlock. It's very easy to unlock, just to follow those simple steps. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give. So I'm also going to be creating a Telegram group where I'm going to be sharing links, and also I'm going to be sharing some of my premium assets on the group for new members to be able to access the previous one. And you can also join my WhatsApp group, and the link is going to be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to leave a comment in this video. I'm Joseph from Just Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.